Take a ride in the 2024 ELANTRA. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, electronic messaging assistance with read function.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.